Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Dogs are created equal, but only the finest. Oh my god.
Oh my god, oh my god.
We take.
What's this guy doing?
Oh god, you're a really good driver to have.
We're going to come after you with everything that we have. That passenger in San Francisco, a 47-year-old man from Texas, was cited for police.
Wow.
United Airlines says it has banned him from future travel on the airline.
Alternate like you've never heard before.
I had a protected green light, idiot. I had a green light.
No. I first.
No, you're wrong. Go to the DMV.
Okay?
Do you understand that a green light going left with an arrow is a protected green light where I can go and do a U-turn? You need to stay at the red light.
Cannot.
You're wrong,
You come
idiot.
left. You from left. Come in.
Protected green light. Go to the DMV
Hey,
and read the
wait.
book, idiot.
Hey, shut your mouth.
You.
Hey. Come on.
I'm getting my food here. You.
Come on. Hey, speak.
I'm gonna call the cops right now. I'm gonna call the cops.
Now.
I'm gonna call the. All right.
Come on down. Speak nice.
No, you get away from me. Help! Get away from me. What the? Learn how to drive. Get away from me.
You need to break your neck, mother.
You get away from me. You're crazy. You're crazy. Get away from me. You asshole.
You fighting, man. You.
You're the one chasing me down. You.
Hey. Speak nice.
Hey, drive properly, motherfucker. And don't just brake. Don't just try and cause a rear-end accident like you just tried to. I caught it on my camera. I have the right of way. I caught it on my camera. Fuck you. Get away from me. I'm about to call the police. You want to have the police see the camera of you being wrong? Then off. Yeah, put a camera up your ass because you're wrong, dumb.
They want to take me out this game like Chicago, Black Illuminati.
Dumbass.
The streets need a body. I got all the niggas so wait around me. You
Dick shit.
my god. You're going the wrong way. What are you doing? What the are you doing? What the What the Jesus Christ. Oh my gosh, you're trying to go on the highway.
Yes, sir.
Oh, shoot. Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.